Hey, it's Todd Jones with Rodeo Realty. I'm going to take you on a tour of my listing at 1518 5th Street. This is in San Pedro, and this home is really amazing. So it's what we call an inverted floor plan, which means the living room and kitchen are actually upstairs along with the primary bedroom, and then downstairs you have more living space and a den. And the reason for that is you can actually get a view from upstairs, and it lets in a lot of light. So it was a clever way to really take advantage of that. So you do have a two-car garage right here, and then we'll start downstairs and upstairs. Another thing you'll notice is the rooms are very nice size. Now we have this staged as an office, but it could certainly be a bedroom. Lots of closet space, as you can see. And then this is like little storage under the stairwell. That's cool because you always need a place for your luggage, right? This is a side-by-side laundry. And just a reminder, this is a 360 camera, which means you can look up, down, turn around. It's actually best viewed on an app. Let me go ahead and shut this one out. Now it's open to illustrate that even though Western is right there, you can't really hear it inside. On the map, it looks like you're sitting on top of it, but you have no access to it from this house. It's on the back wall, the backyard. It's really nothing at all. Now down here you have the full bathroom, which serves those two bedrooms. Lots of closet space here. So yeah, here we have the water heater and a little extra closet space. And then here's that room under the kitchen with that little extra side door. All right, and then here we also have the more linen space. And then check this out. This is cool. This is a little like den, if you will, off to the backyard, which I'm going to show you after I go upstairs. And there's a wet bar. All right, so that's all downstairs. So you got two bedrooms, one bath, washer and dryer, and a den. And of course the garage, and the double door entry is lovely. Now as we go up, you're gonna see there's a lot more to this house. So the kitchen's straight ahead, but let's first turn right and look at this beautiful open floor plan. This is a huge living room. I mean, huge. And I don't know if you can tell from here, we'll look from the primary, but you could actually see the ocean out there. We've got another wet bar, huge dining area. There's just lots of space up here. And then of course the kitchen. Look at this. Got some built-ins on the right. You could put a gigantic table. We're gonna end going down here, but this was, looks like an enclosed porch that goes down to the backyard. Here you have a very nice sized kitchen with a beautiful bay window. See why it's inverted? Get a lot of light up here. You get the view up here. And this primary is huge. I mean, that's a king bed. Look how far apart the side tables are from it, and there's still plenty of room. All right, so the way these work is you got the plantation shutters, but you have to shut these in order to open it. Otherwise it won't slide, right? So like that, and then let's go take a look outside. Now there happens to be someone getting their dog room, so we have a dog groomer here. We have awnings up here that you could take off if you wanted to let in more light, but you can actually see the ocean over there, and at night you get some twinkling lights. Yeah, you can even see the port a little bit. This is a cul-de-sac street with a huge parking space, which I'll show you in a minute, which is ideal for like RV parking or sea-doos or whatever you want. And then this little community is just a private little community. So it's a dead-end street. Closet space abounds in the primary. You have dual sinks side by side. And then we've got the toilet along with the shower. Look at all this space. It's really amazing. All right, we're gonna go take a look in the back. Now this is set up as like a low maintenance backyard. You could add like a grassy backyard if you wanted to, I suppose. Let me hold that open. So nice little area for picnic tables or whatnot to enjoy dining outside. And then all this is terraced. So it's, you know, drought tolerant stuff, beautiful rose bushes. The HVAC is, let's say, newer. I don't know the exact date. There is a spa back here, which you could enjoy and partake in. And then this is the RV parking I was mentioning. So this is all part of the property. So if you decided, you know, I don't want the jacuzzi there and I don't want this, you could make this all grass and have a really nice sized yard, plenty of room for a pool. It's just a great place to call home. And you can see all this was done in a very nice way. Lots of rose bushes, so pretty. All right, so that's the tour. If you want to see it in person, just let us know and we'll be happy to get you in. Thank you so much for watching.